Friends, today in this video we are going to talk about a different kind of camera. Yes, this is a 360-degree panoramic camera which records each and everything around the camera, so you don't have to worry about the frame. तो दोस्तों ये कैमरा है Insta360 1X। तो देखते हैं कंपनी ने इसके साथ बॉक्स में क्या क्या दिया है और फिर देखेंगे इसका वर्क फ्लो। खमागड़ी, मैं हूँ भौमिक और आप देख रहे हैं KGMI। So friends, this is company packaging for the Insta360 1X. This records 5.7K 360 video. Packaging list, and here are some other specifications. So let's see. Okay, so this is 360. So this is Insta360 1X, and this is battery and bullet time string. Okay, we got connect to your phone cables, micro to lightning, micro to C type, and micro to micro. Connect to your computer cable, and this is micro to normal USB. Protective pouch, and there are some stickers, manuals, warranty card. So friends, let's start the camera. This is the power button, the smaller one. To go through the menu, you have to press this button. Now change the mode, setting, HDR photo and video. So this is how it toggles through. Now there is the Wi-Fi setting, Wi-Fi on, Wi-Fi password. If you go, it shows your Wi-Fi password. Let's connect the camera to the app. First of all, we have to install the camera app, that is Insta1X. New Wi-Fi. This is 1X Wi-Fi. Connect to your Wi-Fi. I have already put the password. And here it shows. And this is your 360-degree camera. Really interesting. It shows each and everything around you. Great. There are settings for the photo, for video, for live 360-degree video, and the live normal video. Once you start there are the settings. If you are in the photo mode, there is the setting. In video, again go to setting, video, bullet time, time lapse, SDR, 5.7K 30 fps, 4K 30 fps, 4K 50 fps, 3K 100 fps. Then states, if you want to put states on your video, then you can on this icon. ISO auto 400, 800, 600. Again EV, shutter, faster auto, white balance for the video, same settings, log. So it records a flat profile picture, and you can color it in the post. And there are some filters, you can apply them. And this is the app workflow. So friends, this was Insta360 1X. If you really like the video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the future updates. दोस्तों, अगर आपके पास ऐसा कोई कॉन्सेप्ट है जिसे आप शूट करना चाहते हैं तो इस ईमेल एड्रेस पर भेज दीजिए. If that will be selected, team Kgmi will shoot the video and telecast it on Kgmi channel. And in the end of the video, I'm going to put some sample footage shot from Insta360 1X. Keep enjoying.